Hello everybody, this is Scott McDonald with Buyer Beware. This is our first video where we're going to get into some details of how maybe to save a little money, how to look at things a little bit differently when you're budgeting and when you're buying things for the house and for the family, and hopefully save you some money, I hope. So the other day I decided that I was going to hire a company to put fertilizer on my lawn and weed killer and stuff like that, make it green, make it pretty for the neighborhood. So I went out and I called three companies and asked for estimates on how much it would be, and they charge you, a certain amount of money to come out and put that application on your yard. So they would all respond and say, well, it's $65 an application, or it's $57 an application, or it's $54 an application. And if you look at those numbers that I just said, 65 and 57 and 54, well, you might say, hey, that 54, that's the best price. I'm going to go with that one. That's the one I'm going to use. But the thing that you have to, the topic and the thing that I want you to understand is a little thing called total cost. And so when you dig in a little bit deeper into those three quotes that I got from those companies, you'll see that the $65 one was for 7 applications. The $54 one, which looks like it's the best price just from the application price, was actually 8 applications. And the $57 one, which was kind of in the middle, and probably wouldn't have chosen it if I just looking at the number straight, was 6 applications. Well, when you do the math, the cheapest is the $57 because it's only 6 applications, and that's $342. The $54 one that was for 8 applications is $432, $90 more. So when you're looking at things like you're buying a car, somebody says, well, it's only $200 a month for this car. You need to ask them, well, how many months? Is it 48 months? Is it 5 years, 10 years? For $200 a month, how long am I going to be paying that? And look at the total cost. Same thing with TVs. You see advertisements on TV, buy this TV, it's only, $50 a month. But you got to ask how much. It's total cost. Look at the total cost. Use a little calculator. Every phone has a calculator on it now. You ought to be able to do that little bit of simple math and say, what's my total cost of this transaction, of this thing I'm about ready to do? So keep that in mind, and I hope I helped you out today. Thanks. Bye.